Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join official Blox root server on Discord. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Google and search here Block official Blox root. Okay, click on that, and then you need to click on the first website, and now it is opening, so wait for a few seconds, and then you need to click on join server, and then you need to click on join now, and now it is redirect you to the Discord, so wait for a few seconds. It will redirecting. Okay, and now you simply need to click on accept invite, and here you need to complete you're most welcome. A few more steps back you can talk, simply need to click on that, and here you need to scroll down and click on agree to all these rules and click on complete. So this is the process by which you can join official Blox fruit server on Discord. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.